Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to seed a cucumber two different ways. Now, why two different ways? Well, it depends on what you're actually going to use the cucumber for. For example, if you're going to make a veggie boat where you want to actually stuff the cucumber with, say, hummus or cottage cheese, there's one way to do it. Or if you want to make a crudité, there's another way to do it. So I'm going to show you both of those right now. What I'm using here is just a regular conventional, what's called a slicing cucumber. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually slice this cucumber down the middle, and I'm going to leave the ends on and everything because I'm going to make a veggie boat with it. And all I'm doing here is just using a regular spoon to scrape the seeds out. As you can see, it's really easy. You just scrape with the spoon, just a regular spoon that you would eat cereal with, and just scrape out the seeds. It's going to get a little watery, but other than that, pretty simple. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the other method. I showed you how to use a spoon to do it. Now we're just going to make, like I said, the spears for like a crudité. So taking the cucumber, I'm just going to cut it into quarters. So the one thing about this method, it can be a little trickier to get all of the seeds out because with the spoon you can easily scrape the cucumber. With a knife you have to be a little bit more careful. You don't want to cut yourself. So one thing that you can do is cut it into eighths, then take the cucumber, and hopefully I don't cut myself since I'm left-handed, and cut off all the seeds. So there you have it. That's all it takes to easily seed cucumbers. Like I said, it really depends on what you're actually going to be making, what your final dish is, but those are two pretty simple ways to seed a cucumber every single time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And hey, if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. If there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.